Wait, what's today at school? What day are you dressing up as?
As a reindeer.
It's sleigh day. Let me see your shirt. Cute.
We still don't know what sleigh day is.
We don't know exactly what sleigh day is, but you're wearing a reindeer, so.
Yeah.
All right, what are we doing?
Find Fred.
Find Fred?
Fred, where are you? Fred, where are you? Fred, where are you? Fred, Fred. Fred left a banana.
He did leave, or he, she. See, I'm so tired.
Fred, where are you? Fred, maybe you'll be in my cereal.
Fred's not in your cereal, but let me see your cereal. What did you say about this cereal?
I'm gonna have this for Buff.
I know, but who'd you see on the cereal box?
Fred.
There's Fred.
Yeah.
She's on the cereal box. So the cereal comes from Santa.
Yeah.
So crazy.
Yeah, but I don't know where Fred is. Fred! It's checking the fridge. It's checking. She's had the same thing she wore from when she was in Winter Wonderland.
She is. You know why?
Hi.
I bet it's really cold in the fridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't go in there anymore.
Look how cute she is. She's just in there hanging out.
You can't go in there anymore.
No. Well, you'd have to be really careful.
Fred is actually on the butter.
She is, and she's on the cheese too.
Ha.
She's like laying on top of everything.
Yeah.
That's silly, Fred.
Let's go to the candies.
Tell me what's going on with school.
I can't do school
Why?
because the internet.
Yeah, but not our internet. The school's internet is messed up.
Yeah, and I'm trying to find number 9. Number 9, I see it. Right there. It's going to be that tiny of the chocolate.
There you go. Those are the same size, aren't they?
No,
It's not?
it's not.
Are you sure?
I don't
Let me see it.
think
Hold it in your
so.
hand.
It's tinier.
I don't think that's smaller. All right, let's see the picture today because we don't want to make the same mistake. It's Christmas trees on the picture. It says, a sled is nice on a crisp, cold day, bringing some fun, coasting your way. But it's Christmas trees on here. It's still cute, right?
Maybe it's nice. Sometimes it's a picture one.
Yeah, sometimes the picture corresponds to the message. We'll find out now that we're looking for it. All right. Wait. What's today?
Number 9.
Are you sure it's number 9 today? Are we doing the? Oh yeah, yesterday was number 8. What is it? Is it something else to build? Yeah, what is that? I have no clue. Maybe it's a piece that goes to another piece that makes one thing. Here, try to look in the bag and just see what you see. Hey, is this a piece of chocolate on the bed?
I see.
You better pick it up and eat it.
I see a wine glass in there.
You see what?
A wine glass in here.
You see a wine glass? I don't think that's a wine glass in Harry Potter. That's a goblet to drink from. Oh, I bet it's supplies for the Great Hall.
Look, see, it's right there. The cup, right there.
Oh, cool. Let me see what the picture... Oh, wait, there's another piece in here. I knew I heard something rattling around in here. There's a few pieces. Oh, I can't get them out. Here's one. I don't know what these are. I think these are pieces missing from other sets, maybe? I don't know what this is. It has to be part of another item that you're going to get on another day. Bro, you're smacking.
Every single file you get
Uh-huh.
is for Harry.
I don't think all of them are for Harry.
Let's try to get this is Harry Potter.
Yeah. Here, turn around. Show them to the camera. Yep, there's Cho and Harry, who he wishes he could have taken to the Yule Ball. What are they doing? They dancing? Or kissing? Dancing?
Yes.
All right, it's time to just play and have fun, I guess.
So the video, what the cereal looks like.
Elf on the Shelf cereal. All right, I'll pull it out now.
Has the white little things are marshmallows, and these little things are cereal.
Yeah, red and green and white.
You can actually count them. The marshmallows are crunchy.
Yeah, let me get the milk. I think we might see Fred. Look, there's Fred. There's Fred.
Yeah, Fred. I'm gonna open it so I can look at Fred better.
There we go. There's sister. Wow. Is it good? Is it the best? Is it?
I have this everyday for breakfast.
Okay.
Hi guys, see my food?
This is what we've got for dinner tonight. We've got a roll, we've got green beans, and
Grandma
spaghetti and
made the rolls.
meatballs.
Grandma made the rolls. And
Yeah.
we made this.
Yeah, Grandma wanted the rolls,
Yes, everyone
and then
got one.
Mommy made the rest of it. That's me.
Hi guys, happy Vlogmas.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Yeah, and if you like this video, give 160 thumbs up because this is the best one ever.
Bye.
Tomorrow I know where Fred's going.
Where?
She's going up, 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 all the way inside of the clouds.
Oh, we'll see.
She will make clouds and I'll fan and then she will, ooh, like she's in the sky.
Oh.
And I'll fan.
I guess we'll see.
Maybe she's listening to me right now.
Maybe she is. All right, bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.